All right, Malcolm, I just got to my fishing area. I'm in another area, not the other one that I've gone to, where you just go straight. Right here, it's real shallow. You know, I kind of used a regular speed getting here and then slowing down at the shallow. But anyhow, my wife's going to go ahead and aim towards the bilge, and I'm going to get ready to turn on the bilge. Anyhow, there it goes. And that is a lot of water, and it's real fast, and that's what it's doing. And that is the norm, not like last time that it didn't go in. Bilge is off. Anyhow, that's what it does, and in some cases it goes for a lot longer than that. And as you know, I showed you the plugs. The plug was off. There was no water inside the boat. I put on the plugs. The other 4 plugs for the intakes and out where the water comes out, they're already in there. So that's what it does. That is what it almost 95% of the time. That's what it does. The other 5%, why it doesn't do it, I have no idea. But anyhow, that's just one idea. We're going to be here fishing for a while. On our way back, we'll turn it on again, and we'll see what happens. Anyhow, this is the last time I'm going to do this. I'm not going to do this anymore. I've been wasting a lot of my time, even going when I'm not supposed to be going fishing, a lot of my gas, and getting off of work. I need this fixed. We've been addressing this issue for too long. I don't know what you're going to do. Give me a new boat, put all this stuff on it. I don't know. As minor as it might be, I don't know if it's minor. All I know is that I need it fixed. Anyhow, I'll lead us in on our way back, or if we move to another area within this area, because this is about 2 feet of water where I'm at right now. Going real slow in this area. But anyhow, I'll get you later. Bye.